Oh my God, oh, you taught me to be patient and have faith in you, that's what I've been doing. But now I'm here to talk to you and let you know that I have an agent case. Oh, Chineke, oh, I have complete faith in you. But now I'm here to talk to you and let you know that I have an agent case. Oh, Chineke, oh, I have complete faith in you. But now I'm here to talk to you and let you know that I have an agent case. My case is urgent, my case is urgent, my case is urgent, it needs your attention. My case is urgent, my case is urgent, my case is urgent, it needs your attention. Show the world your wonders through me, Chineke, and the meaning of believing in you. Please attend to my case, attend to my case. Oh God, oh, my case is very urgent.
Like what you said in your word, call unto me, I will show you great and mighty things, oh Lord, which I will never know. I want more of you, my Lord. I want more of you, to know you better, Lord. I want more of you, my Lord. I want more of you, to know you better.
My case is urgent, my case is urgent, my case is urgent, it needs your attention. My case is urgent, my case is urgent, my case is urgent, it needs your attention. Show the world your wonders through me, Chineke, and the meaning of believing in you. Please attend to my case, attend to my case. Oh God, oh, my case is very urgent. Lord, I can't keep on repeating the same prayer points. I can't, my Lord. I want that kind of prayer which results in the manifestation of your glory. Then after that, soon after that, I move on to the next prayer points. Rise up from your throne and change my life. My case is urgent. I'm ready, my Lord. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready for my testimony. I'm ready, I'm ready for elevation. I'm ready, I want restoration. I'm not ordinary, success is certain, victory is my portion. Iwe.
My case is urgent,
it needs your attention. My case is urgent,
my case is
my case is urgent, it needs your attention.
my case is urgent,
My case is urgent,
it needs your attention.
my case is urgent, my case is urgent, my case is urgent, it needs your attention.